I use my inhaler a lot less with the new pellet stove than I did with the wood stove. It's a no-brainer. I mean, you save money, you save time, you get a better quality of heat and more consistency. Very clean, very efficient. It takes very little room to store my pellets versus the gobs of room it took for firewood. I don't have that kind of smokiness in the house to where it's affecting my lungs and my health.
This really is an opportunity to take those tax dollars that we all spend and put it right back into our pocket to benefit us right here in the community.
Our old wood stove was ginormous. It literally stuck out in the middle of the room about 5 foot. Besides being inefficient, it was just not very airtight, and you'd open it to put wood in and you'd have smoke pour in your living room and crack a window to, let some of the smoke out and get some clean air in, so then you're losing even more heat. God knows we have enough fires as it is. We don't have to contribute in the wintertime with our fireplaces as well.
If you do have an older wood burning device, come by and see the district. There are options, and we'll help you find the best heating device for your home through the wood stove changeout program.